Garage is open.
Are they fighting over the knife right now?
Just go in the garage.
Hey! Drop the knife!
Drop it! Sam, 4 shots fired.
On February 18, 2025, at around 1:38 a.m., Concord Police Department received a 911 call of a distressed mother who reported that her adult son, Nathan Keesler, was at her home actively stabbing her husband with a knife. Officer Roy Olson was the first to arrive. He was met outside by Keesler's mother, who directed him to enter through the attached garage. As Sergeant Chris Souza and other officers arrived, a tactical plan was formed. Officer Olson would be the lethal option, armed with his firearm. Sergeant Souza would take a less lethal role, armed with a taser.
All right, where's your son?
In the house, the garage is open.
Are they fighting over the knife right now?
Just go in the garage door right there.
I know. What's his name?
The one lethal, less lethal.
I got lethal.
I'll take less lethal.
KN4, what's the son's name? You guys ready?
Yep.
It's locked. Is the front door unlocked? Ask her if she has a key.
You have a key to the front door? Garage is locked.
Garage is locked.
The garage is locked.
I'll boot the door. Nathan! Concord Police! Hey! Hey! Drop the knife! God damn it.
You have 4 shots fired.
Get hey! Fuck. Sir. Get away, get away, get away, get away. Drop the knife! Oh, God, no. Sir, where are you stabbed?
I don't know.
All right.
Oh, God.
Okay. All right. Oh. Hey, we need medical started code 3. We need medical come in.
The following is a portion of the previous video paused and highlighted. It shows the moment Officer Olson entered the living room and saw Keesler stabbing his father. After Officer Olson discharged his service weapon, the knife remained in Keesler's right hand.
Hey! Drop the knife! Nathan! Concord Police! Hey!
Sam, 4 shots fired. Sam, 4 shots
The following is a portion of the previous video slowed and highlighted. It shows Officer Olson attempting to kick the knife out of Keesler's right hand. Keesler maintained his grip on the knife, sat up, and swung the knife at Officer Olson. It also shows Sergeant Souza deploying his taser and then switching to his service weapon.
Sam, 4 shots fired.
Medical personnel arrived and pronounced Nathan Keesler deceased at the scene. An autopsy later confirmed the cause of death as multiple gunshot wounds, revealing 20 distinct wounds. A toxicology test was negative for alcohol and illegal drugs. Keesler's father was rushed to the hospital where he was treated for multiple lacerations to his head and arms and a non-fatal gunshot wound to his buttock, an injury he sustained due to his close proximity to his son during the shooting. The Contra Costa District Attorney's Office concluded its investigation by applying the law to the facts. The report stated that the officers were thrust into an imminent, life-threatening situation where lethal force was reasonably necessary to prevent Keesler from killing his father. When Keesler survived the initial shots and then used the knife to attack an officer, the subsequent use of force was also deemed a justifiable act of self-defense. The district attorney ruled that all 5 officers acted in lawful self-defense and defense of others, and no further action will be taken.